All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel to none other than the Cardano family. First and foremost, I just want to wish each and every one of you guys from the Cardano family a happy new year. I'm wishing you guys a lot of happiness, success, and good health for the year of 2025. And hope you guys achieve all the goals that you have set up. But at the end of the day, remember, good health and family and close people that are in your circle are the most important thing in life, and that's something that I always remind everyone on my channel. But let's take a look at what's happening with Cardano's price and of course what we could be expecting, and also let me know in the comments down below if you want to see daily Cardano updates. Looking across the board, I'm sure if you watch my HBAR update, if you've been watching my market analysis updates, you guys know what's happening at this point for the market, but it has been an amazing start to the year of 2025. Altcoins are popping off, specifically in the last 24 hours because dominance is continuing to fall while Bitcoin is about to reach $99,000 to $100,000 price point. Cardano, one of the top gainers right now, up 16.2%. I know a lot of haters, and I repeat, there's a lot of haters out there that don't like ADA. I'm sure they're nowhere to be seen right now at the fact that ADA is back above the dollar price point and up 16.2% to be exact. And I'm sure a lot of people in the Cardano family are happy at this, and you guys deserve it to say the least. But the price is currently sitting at $1.11, up 16% in USD, up 15% in Bitcoin comparative. The market cap at $39.8 billion in the 24-hour trading volume at about 2.6 billion, which is absolutely amazing to see. But before we go any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So look at this, guys. Cardano ate a top 12.2% grayscale crypto snapshot. Asset weekly snapshot of the top 10 crypto assets by 1 week return. So ADA came at the top, which is absolutely amazing, and XRP right below, as well as Solana. Insane to think about. And I think the altcoin season is going to begin, and it's going to be the biggest altcoin season that we have seen. Obviously, due to regulation coming in, and I think regulation, as it starts coming in, I think it's going to be set for 2026 most importantly, but you're going to hear a lot about regulation this year. And I think as people are talking about the super cycle thing, this could really be a super cycle. And again, I'm just speculating at this point. You need to realize I'm just sharing my personal opinion. But let's see what happens. But let's take a closer look and really understand what's happening with ADA. So of course, we speak about the dominance day in, day out on this channel. Dominance is pulling down. And it's pulling down very sharply while Bitcoin price is, making its way back up. We actually retested almost $99,000 this morning. So, obviously we're coming across some major key resistance, as you can see this for yourself. If this resistance is able to break out, $100,000 Bitcoin tomorrow could even be a very strong possibility, which would be the first time for the year of 2025 that, Bitcoin has reached the 100K price point. But with that said, of course, dominance going down while Bitcoin's going up. We know altcoins are going to go up. And so it shouldn't really be a major surprise as to what we're seeing right now, but let's take a closer look right now what's happening with ADA. So I'm going to zoom in to the daily time frame for you guys. So of course at this point everyone knows what happened. Obviously once we broke below the support at the dollar price point, we retested support around the 83 cents. Shouldn't be a surprise to you guys. This happened due to FOMC meeting announcement, what happened after, to the traditional stock market, as well as the crypto markets, as well as just profit locking. New Year's, people want to Christmas shopping, people are strategizing their investments. That usually does tend to happen. But look at this beautiful bounce. I really want you guys to not look at it from the daily time frame. I want to give you guys the visuals on the hourly because it makes more sense. So a lot of hate, and I repeat, there's been a lot of hate around this time because people just want, and when I say people, I just say about people that are unrealistic. The ones that are realistic understand that market doesn't just go up straight. There's consolidations, there's the impact with Bitcoin, but we saw ADA hit a yearly high at $1.32 for the year of 2023, which is amazing. And after that, you did see ADA retrace down about 41, almost 42%, which is normal. which is very, very normal. But speaking about that, you could see this exact after we lost the support, we actually retested the support on the 21st. It was rejected, then we kind of ranged around here, and of course, a beautiful bounce since then. If you picked at the beginning of the year, now we're just only focusing at the beginning of the year, we're not even going into the year of 2024. If you just dollar cost averaged in around the 83 cents price point, you are up right now 34.4% on ADA. Yes, I repeat, 34.4% in just a matter of 2.5 days. 2 days actually. And now what you're looking at ADA is doing is, it's retesting some significant, and I repeat, significant key resistance. What you're about to see happening with ADA right now is going to shock a lot of people. You guys know your boy Crypto ZX. I don't make unrealistic updates, and I don't make a biased updates. It's all unbiased. And right now, what ADA is showing is significant strength. We're about to retest December 1st levels if we're able to break out of this key resistance. And again, that is only an 8.5% move to get back into 61.8 in order for us to retest the last year's yearly high. That's only a move of about 19%. And with the volume uptick right now, grayscale numbers speak for themselves. I really do believe ADA could be pushing up to that major level, especially the major level is around the $1.48. Once you get to that range, guys, things can really start getting very exciting for ADA quite fast, because after that, not much resistance. Of course, there is resistance. I'm not saying there's not much, but there's not crazy amount of resistance for us to start heading up to some of these levels that we haven't seen since 2021 cycle. So I'm really impressed as to where ADA is, and if it's able to close above the $1.12 zone today, we have a lot of time left. I am expecting some very exciting times in just the very next few days coming for Cardano. Now, let me know down below what you guys think. What are your personal predictions? A lot of people ignore the fact that their Cardano is a proof of stake consensus, and a huge chunk of ADA's supply is staked. So remember the supply and demand. There's not much retail interest right now. I think you're gonna start seeing retail interest flowing in as well as institutional interest. And once that comes in and the demand is extremely high, supply is low, it's pretty much basic economic rule, which really is a supply and demand that factor that can really cause the price of ADA to skyrocket much faster than a lot of people are anticipating. But amazing price action right now for ADA. Like I said, left a lot of haters speechless. And this is the beauty of doing dollar cost averaging, and as well as understanding your risk factors. If you've done that, of course, then patience is your number one key to follow. There will be fluctuations in this market. There will be consolidations, and it's not an overnight success, guys. It's not overnight success. I'm telling you, and I'll repeat that. If that was, then I promise you everyone would be doing that. But let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that red subscribe button on the Crypto ZX channel. Let's make 2025 the best year yet. Shout out to the OG. Shout out to the new comers that are coming onto the channel. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you later. And stay safe out there. Happy New Year once again. We'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.